Is your Mercedes Benz showing the P2096 engine code on the dashboard or skin tool? Don't worry, in this video, I'll explain what the P2096 code means for common symptoms, causes, and how you can fix it step by step. The P2096 code means post-catalyst fuel trim system to lean. Bank 1. In simple words, the engine computer detects that the air-fuel mixture after the catalytic converter is too lean, meaning there is too much air and not enough fuel in the system. This problem is usually related to the oxygen sensor, exhaust system, or fuel delivery system. When your Mercedes has a P2096 code, you may notice these symptoms: check engine light turns on, reduced engine performance, poor fuel economy, rough idle or hesitation, possible exhaust smell. Sometimes the car may still drive normally, but ignoring this code for too long can lead to bigger engine problems. Now the most common causes: 1. Faulty oxygen sensor, 2. Exhaust leak near the catalytic converter, 3. Dirty or failing mass airflow sensor, for vacuum leaks in intake system, 5. Fuel injector problems, 6. Weak fuel pump or low fuel pressure. It indicates the powertrain control module perceives a lean fuel-to-air mixture downstream of the catalytic converter. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P2096 error code. Method A: exhaust leaks. The exhaust system begins at the engine combustion chambers and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with invisible tailpipe. If you have a small leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. The hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means you can use something like a hairdryer to heat it up and make it cure faster. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on it. Like this one, the seam will often rot a large leak. First, it is sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. Method B: the oxygen sensors. The oxygen sensors are located before and after the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the oxygen sensors. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P2096 error code. So that's how you diagnose and fix the Mercedes-Benz P2096 engine code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check our channel for more automotive DIY repair videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.